Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting the Rust toolchain and the project ready. Install RustUp and run Rust version to verify. Once done, clone the Wallpaper Rust console repository or create a new cargo project and add dependencies. Make sure environment variables for X11 or Wayland are set and the GPU is accessible, because rendering needs direct display access. You should also open a terminal in the project folder and run cargo build release to compile a working binary before proceeding to runtime steps. You now configure runtime options and execute the compiled program. Edit the config file to set resolution, refresh rate, layers, and animation parameters so the console matches your display. Then run cargo run release or launch the built binary and pass any profile or CLI flags for quick presets. Make sure to enable verbose logging when testing so you can see shader compilation, texture loading, and resource binding. If a shader fails, you'll spot the line and error quickly and can iterate configuration or shader code. You finish by integrating the wallpaper console into your normal workflow and validating persistence. Install the binary as a systemd user service or add it to your desktop session so the wallpaper runs on login. Then optimize performance by lowering texture sizes, capping FPS, and enabling caching to reduce CPU and GPU load. If you hit a black screen or crashes, check file permissions, display /Wayland variables, shader compilation errors, and verbose logs. Restarting the compositor after fixes often resolves stale resource bindings quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.